Mama.
Hello, welcome to Adit 11T YouTube channel. This one is Lenovo G500 motherboard and its part number is LA-9631P. Okay, in this motherboard, problem is when we connect adapter and try to switch on, it's getting on, taking 0.25 ampere, okay, and off. Again automatic on, okay, taking again 0.25 24 ampere, again off. Okay, now what to do in this type of problems? Okay, so first we start checking the voltages on coil, okay, on every coil, okay, one by one. As we know, MBD is getting on, means 3 volt 5 volt is okay, okay, but we also check that voltage. You can see here, this is the 3 volt coil, okay, 3 volt is okay. Now on the back side, it's 5 volt line, this one is 5 volt, you can see 5 volt is also okay. Now switch on the MBD and check the voltages one by one. So I am going to check this voltage 1.89. You can see here 1.79. It's available. Okay, and again gone. Okay. Now check the RAM coil. Switch on the MBD, laptop on, but having no voltage, 0. Okay, you can see here 0 volt at RAM coil, no fluctuation. Okay, again switch on, you can see no voltage at RAM coil. Okay, now check the other sections, voltage is okay or not. You can see 5 volt is okay. Now we check the PCH. You can see here 1.01, okay, 1.05 PCH line is okay. Now check at the battery section, 2.7. now the 19 volt line. Now the graphic coil, check, you can see 0.91, okay. Another coil 0.93, okay. VRM having no supply, okay, 0 everywhere. Now check the VCC line. Yes, this is the VCC. Now switch on the MBD, 0.89, okay, it's also okay, around 90. Okay, now you can see here RAM supply is missing. Okay, now what we have to do, first check the RAM supply is coming or not, okay, on IC. Okay, now open the schematic and its coil number is PL501, okay, PL501. You can see here, this is the schematic of this MBD, okay, PL501 RAM coil, and this is the IC. Okay, in this IC what we have to check, first we have to check pin number 12, 11, 5 volt is okay or not. Then its enable line, means pin number 7 and pin number 8, susp or system on is coming or not in pin number 7 and pin number 8. First we check pin number 12, 11, then 7, then 8. Okay, after switch on pin number 7 and 8, we got the voltage. Now pin number 11 and 12 supply. Pin number 11, you can see here 5 volt is okay on pin number 11, and pin number 12 it's also okay, 5 volt. Okay, now check the pin number 7 and pin number 8. Okay, pin number 7, 6 or 7 is connected with a PF. Now switch on, you can see 3 volt is here. Okay, after pressing power switch, 3 volt is okay on pin number 7. Now pin number 8, this one is pin number 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. This now pin number 8. You can see here pin number 8. Press power button. 3 volt also okay. Okay. 3 volt is okay. Means in this IC 5 volt is coming and enable signal both are coming, but this IC is unable to switch the MOSFET and output the supply. Okay, now in this case what we have to do? Okay, as we know, after switching power on, RAM supply is missing. Okay, we have already checked, RAM supply is missing, but RAM IC enable signal are available and power are also available, but this IC is unable to out the voltage. Okay, for this what we have to do before doing changes with this IC coil or PF? What we have to do, you can see here this 1.5 volt RAM voltage is connected to a pad PJ505 and PJ506. PJ506 is VTT, it's VTT, RAM VTT. You can see here RAM VTT. Now open this two pad PJ504 and PJ505. Okay, first we open this pad, okay, and check the voltage on RAM coil, it's coming or not. Okay, so this one is PJ505 and PJ504. Now both are open. Now check the continuity. No continuity. Okay, pad is properly open. Now again connect DC power supply and check the voltages on RAM coil. Put the probe and switch on. You can see 1.5 volt, means RAM section is okay. Okay, RAM section is okay. Okay, RAM section is okay. Now what we have to do, as we know, input side of this line means 1.5 volt, 1.5 VP is okay, and 1.5 volt is problem. Okay, now what we have to do in this type of cases, search this voltage where it's going. Okay, Control C, Control F, Control V. Okay, 1.5 volt, we need 1.5 volt. Where 1.5 volt? Search for only 1.5 volt. Okay, 1.5 V, not VP. Okay, 1.5 V, its log diagram. 1.5, its CPU VDDQ, it's different. Here you can see Q2. Q2. Here 1.5 volt is coming, and this is for the DRAM reset signal. Okay, now search more where it's going. 1.5 volt is different. CPU VDDQ 1.5 volt. You can see here U3 1.5 volt is converting 1.5 volt to 1.5 volt CPU VDDQ. Okay, remember we have to check U3. For this we take a mark. Okay, take a marker and put a mark U3. This one is U3. Okay, we have to check on this MOSFET. This is U3. Okay, now again come 1.5 volt CPU VDDQ. No, again where it's going to RAM slot. Okay, now check where it's going. Network registered 1.5 volt, again 1.5 volt, 1.5 volt. Okay, VS is different, it's VS. Search for only 1.5 volt. Okay, you can see here 1.5 volt to 1.5 volt VGS. Okay, UV4. Now mark on UV4. Where is UV4? This one is UV4. Okay, this one is UV4. Okay, now again search. Okay, anywhere going 1.5, again 1.5, 1.5. No, yes, 1.5 VGS. No need of VGS, only 1.5 volt, 1.5 VS, 1.5 volt to 1.5 volt VS. Okay, Q8. You can see here Q8. Where is Q8? Q8. This one is Q8. Okay, now mark this also Q8. First search, then I will tell you why I am marking this component. Okay, 1.5 volt. No, everything is finished. Okay, why I am marking this component? Because I have to check the impedance of output side. Okay, is there any sorting on this output side or not on every section? Okay, on every section. Okay, for checking the impedance, now let's start checking the lines. This is a U3 impedance 180. Okay, it's good. Again on output side 147, it's also good. Now check the Q8, one pin 466, it's also okay. Other pin 180, you can see here. Okay, now the third pin 584, it's also okay. Now the U4 input side. Okay, now the output side you can see. Oh, here is the sorting. U4, you can see it's 0. Okay, it's 0 means something is short here. Okay, UV4 output side. Now open UV4. Come to schematic, control F, UV4. Okay, this is the UV4, 1.5 volt to 1.5 volt VGS, and this line goes to 1.5 volt VGS to where it goes to graphic IC VGS, graphic for DDR5 RAM VGS UV1. Okay, 1.5 volt VGS goes to UV1E, and UV1E is our graphic chip, I think so. Wait a minute, I have to remove this. UV1E. Okay, where is UV1E? Here you can see here UV double one. This is a marking. UV1 means graphic coil. Sorry, graphic chip. UV1. You can see here it's written here UV1. As we know, UV4 output side is connected to UV1 IC. Okay, now check this IC is okay or not. For this type of, what we have to do, first check the graphic coil impedance. Okay, you can say this is the graphic coil impedance. You can see the impedance of graphic coil is 0.9. Okay, 0.9. Okay, 10, 11, oh sorry, 11, 13, 12. Okay, but in this part you can see here it's showing short. Okay, means some part of this graphic chip is faulty. Okay, this graphic chip is not fully faulty, some part is faulty, that's why it's showing 0. Okay, for this type what we have to do, okay, now remove this, just remove, no need to do anything else, just remove. It's a VS line MOSFET. It's converting 1.5 volt to 1.5 volt VGS for graphic chip. Okay, now the section is separated, means graphic coil is separated. Graphic section, this is 00 in its part separated. Now reconnect the pad. Now reconnect the pad. Okay, as we know our graphic chip is faulty, so we have to remove the graphic coil supply also. Okay, now remove this graphic coil also, because our graphic chip is faulty. Okay, no need to remove full chip. Okay, just remove the, now again connect adapter. And check ampere. You can see here it's taking good ampere. Okay, now check the display. Now reconnect everything. Now check the display. Okay, after now switch on. Now you can see it's taking good ampere, 0.63, 62, 64. Display should come. Wait. You can see display is okay. Okay, now thank you.